Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a 5-minute warm-up stretch specifically for your arms. This is a great stretch to do at the beginning of your workout, the end of the workout, or if you're experiencing any kind of joint stiffness in your shoulders, this is a great stretch for you. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, we're gonna warm up with a nice little stretch. We're gonna go ahead and do a chest stretch, elbow and hand against the wall. We're gonna lean forward, turn away, hold that for 30 seconds. Okay, keep that chest up nice and high. Sorry, my voice is a little off today, but I still wanted to film a workout video for you guys. Okay, hold that there for another 15 seconds. Okay, really open up that chest, push the elbow into the wall, push the hand into the wall. 3, 2, 1, and we'll switch sides. Elbow and hand against the wall. Push that elbow into the wall. Turn away, open up that chest, get a nice stretch. Nice work guys, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, nice work. Next, you're gonna do a lat stretch. You're gonna have your hand on top of a table and you're gonna turn to the right. You're gonna feel a nice stretch right in the lats right here, right underneath the armpit. Push into the floor or push into the tabletop and then turn towards the right side. Good. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now you're gonna turn towards the left side. Push into the table and then lean back, open up the lats here. Good, sink in, take a few deep breaths in and out. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Again, against a chair or a tabletop, you're gonna have your fingers pointing away from you, arms straight. You're gonna lean forward. You're gonna sink into a front shoulder stretch. You'll feel it on the front of your shoulders. You'll feel it a little bit in your biceps here as well. Hold that stretch. If you want to feel it more, you can just simply lunge down. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna stretch the back of the shoulders. You're gonna grab your arm and you're gonna pull. You'll feel a nice stretch in the back of the shoulders here. Hold that stretch. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1, and other side. Grab the outside of your arm and then pull across your body. And it's really important that whenever you're stretching, these are called static stretches, you want to hold these for a minimum of 30 seconds to really loosen up the joint, loosen up the muscles. Good, 10 seconds here. Good, work on that flexibility. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and triceps. You're gonna grab your elbow right here and then you're gonna pull straight down. And then the arm that's being stretched, this hand here, try to reach down as far as you can. Feel the triceps working. Good, you can feel it right here. Ten seconds and we'll switch arms. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and switch arms. Grab your triceps here and pull down. Nice work, guys. 10 seconds. Let's pull down on the arm a little bit more. Work on that flexibility. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and let's warm up the arms with doing a few arm swings. Give yourself a big hug. Open up with your palms up. Good. You're gonna feel that chest being stretched. Good. Make sure those arms are nice and high. Pretend like you're gonna give someone a big hug. Nice work. 10 seconds. All right, guys. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca. Sign up for a 7-day free personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.